Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Today, I'm just going to play with some paint. This is a pair of the earrings that I get from this wholesale seller. And this pair of earrings, the wholesale price is, I think, about 58 or 59 cents, something like that. You get a 12 pack of them for a little over $6. So I love these because they are a lightweight wood. And what I took them apart, and I took the largest size. There's 4 pieces here. And so here's the largest size. I took that one and I painted it. So I'm just going to take you through the process of painting this earring. The ones that I used were these pink ones. And I forgot to turn the camera on at the beginning, but I was halfway through painting them. But I'm just using little paints from Dollar Tree, little Dollar Tree red and orange, and then I use my favorite gold with this, which is this folk art antique gold. I really like that. So anyway, let me show you what I'm doing. As a tip, I use this is my Amazon packages. I've been turning them inside out now, and using them as my base for when I need to protect my surface. That's just a quick tip. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. We have over 800 DIY videos on jewelry making and doing your business, working in your jewelry business. All right. As you can see, I have turned this 59-cent pair of earrings into at least $10. In fact, I'm going to offer these for $10. They're ready to go out the door. So if you want a link to pick up this one pair of earrings, let me know and I'll send you a link. All right, good people, this is what we have. I love these earrings. Aren't they fabulous? They are truly a work of art. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up. Ring the bell to be notified when we upload new content. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.